Keyboard shortcuts in Revit increase efficiency by enabling quick access to frequently used tools. Familiarity with these can greatly enhance productivity.
Selection commands use shortcuts like SA for select all instances of an object type. View controls, ZR, zooms to a region, helping users focus on specific parts of the model. Modify tools, shortcuts like MV, move, and CO, copy, simplify object adjustments. Annotation tools DI for dimensioning or TG for tagging elements accelerates documentation. Component placement, commands like CM enable direct placement of components in the model. Navigation shortcuts, WT arranges views in a tiled format supporting multitasking. For example, using AL for align helps users quickly align walls or elements without navigating through multiple menus. Revit's keyboard shortcuts streamline repetitive tasks, providing a quicker alternative to menu navigation.